Welcome to Money Everywhere. This is a YouTube channel where we discuss and teach about how to make money online. There's money online and we have to make it. This is not one of those channels that just gives you something random and then you go and try for yourself. No, we try things out here, we get them working, get them running, and then come to show you what it is so that you also can follow up. You can follow up with our previous videos. You will see authenticity of what we have been seeing. Once and again, welcome to Money Everywhere. In case you are new to this channel, I want you to give us a like, click on the notification bell, and also subscribe so that each time we upload a new video you get notification, and then you can follow up with how to make money online. Okay, today, without further wasting of time, I will not like this video to be long. I want to show you how I made 800 USDT for free in just 2 days. Yes, barely 2 days, 800 USDT for free. And I can tell you, you are not investing a dime, you are not bringing somebody that will bring somebody. No, this is just free money online, USDT. Like you can see in my balance here, you can see that this is 800 USDT. So this is straight, just one click of a button and it is done. All right, the name of this site is battlesteed.ai. Battlesteed.ai. Okay, I saw an update from a YouTuber online. I said to just follow through with it, and then I got the result that you are seeing now. It's simple, straight to the point. You don't have to do any much work. Well, before you leave this video and go to your browser and click or search for the site, you just have to wait. Let me give you the instructions so that you can also follow through, and then you can get the kind of result that we have gotten. Okay, initially when I started, just about let's say just about, that was yesterday, I think so, yes, just about yesterday, it was $400. So by the time somebody else again got the information and registered, that's how my earning became 800. So if you do the same also, you also will get the same earning. Okay, I will leave the description to this I will leave the link, sorry, to this particular site in the description. I also will leave a link to their Telegram channel so that when this particular site becomes listed on Coin Market Cap, you can easily follow up, and then this is legit. This is real money. This is not one of those ones that you wait and wait and wait. No, this is real money. Okay, let's just go straight to what is happening today. So battlesteed.ai is the name of the site. Once you go to your Chrome browser and you type battlesteed.ai, it will open up the site for you. However, they will also recommend that you go and download their app. Let me just go to my Chrome browser very quickly so that you see what I'm saying. Battlesteed.ai. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. Let me see here. Battlesteed.ai. Battlesteed.ai. Okay, good. Okay, it's loading. Just a few moments. Loading. Okay, good. It's here already. So battlesteed.ai, and then battlesteed.ai is here. So what you go directly and you click on Android APK. Android APK. When you do that, it will ask you, do you want to download battlesteed.ai APK? My own, I've already downloaded this. As I show me again. Okay, so yours, you just click on download and then you get it running on your device. To log in is very simple. Just put in your details, your email and your password, and you have gotten to the interface. It's very simple. There's nothing complicated about it. So when that is done, I'll just click on, because I've done it already. When that is done, then you can click on join us now. This join us now will take you to the Telegram channel so that you can follow up with what is doing, with what is happening, and you see other people too who also have claimed what you are about to claim, and then you just follow with what is happening. So this is it. Battlesteed.ai. Currently they have over 100,000 members on their Telegram channel alone. Okay, so see the update here from the admin. Say battlesteed safety tips: prevent DM chat, SMS scam. Recently, scammers pretend to be administrators and contact users through private chat and SMS. They lie that battlesteed coin will be listed soon and need to fill a private key. So please don't fall victim of that. And then the instruction that they are giving here is that at any point in time you should not entertain any form of information. See it here. It say don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone who initiates a private chat with you. Then the second one, that's number two: battlesteed is a platform for decentralized transaction. Okay, it will not save any users information. So that's what they are trying to tell you, that this thing is legit, and then you just follow through with what is happening. Okay, let me just go straight to how you can claim this thing, so that you don't, then on your own you can just go through this particular information. Okay, but so let us go back to the platform. Then once you get to that, once you have downloaded the app and you get to this interface here, this battlesteed.ai, the next thing that you will do is this: you will come to the portion where it says invite. My own is still loading. Okay, good. You come to the place where it says invite. You click on this invite. When you click on this invite, then this particular, you have your own invitation code, but don't put your invitation code. If you put your own invitation code, you will not get anything. I seen it now. If you put your own invitation code, you are not going to get anything. Okay, so this was my invitation code. This one that you're seeing here, AJG3VH. That was the invitation code I inserted in this my box here, and then it gave me the money that you're seeing on my own particular dashboard. Okay, so the invitation code you will use to get this particular your own 400 USDT, I'm going to put it in the description. So when you come and you enter it here on your own, because this is the first time, you are going to see binding. So you just click on the binding, it will rotate and show you successful. And once that is done, then you can come to this your place, refresh it here again, and then you see your own 400 USDT. Okay, so battlesteed will be listed on coin market cap very soon, and once that is done, we can claim this free. This is free money. We can claim free money here, and then you see how just to make extra cash for you online. Okay, so that will be the update for now. I don't want to make this video too long. All what you need to do is just click on this invite. All right, the code I will put in the description, you put your own, you put that code there, and once you see binding here, you click on the binding, then it rolls and tell you successful, then you see your own free USDT here. Okay, I hope you have got value from this video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed, you can share the video to other people so that they also can have their own free 400 USDT. Okay, this is Money Everywhere signing out. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.